Next, we're factoring trinomials where a equals 1. So we're in the form of x squared plus bx plus c. If you guys remember, this is where you find factors of c that add up to b in the middle. Let's just jump right into it. First one, we have x squared plus 7x plus 12. First thing you do, this should just become second nature when you're factoring. First thing you do with the trinomials, open up two binomials that you would FOIL together to get back to our original problem here. Next thing you do, after or as you're writing the parentheses, as long as this is x squared, just split it out to x and x. We'll build on this later in the year, but not right now. So x and x goes in each one. We find factors of 12 that add up to 7 in the middle. If you need to list the factors, list the factors. We have 3 sets of factors for 12. Find which set adds up to 7. It's 3 and 4. They're both positive. And there's the factored form. If you were to FOIL it back out, you would get your answer would be what you started with. Now, next one. Notice everything's the same in this slide. It's just, I'm switching up the signs. First thing I'm doing, open up 2 sets of parentheses, give it x and x. It should just be second nature at this point. We find factors of 30 that add up to -11. Think through those. Again, if you need to write them out, go for it. They happen to be 5 and 6. 5 and 6 can get you -11, or they can get you 11. To get you a -11, they both need to be negative. And also think about positive 30. You need negative times a negative gets you a positive, so we're good to go there. There's our solution. Last two. We have x squared plus 5x minus 14. 2 sets of parentheses, x and x. Factors of 14 that add up to 5. I'm going to list them out on this one. We got 1 and 14. We got 2 and 7. That's it. Now, with that last number being negative, that means these factors are going to be opposite signs. 2 and 7 are 5 away from each other. So those are going to be the factors. 2 and 7. How do we get a positive 5 out of that? Well, the bigger number needs to be positive. So in this case, positive 7, -2. You can check your work by FOILing. Last one, same deal, just watch your signs. Open up 2 sets of parentheses, x and x. Factors of -36 that add up to -5. If you need to list them out, go for it. They happen to be 9 and 4. Now we didn't need a -5 in the middle, so we subtract or have the bigger number be negative, so -9, +4. Once again, check your answer by FOIling it out. That's it.